Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Soundcore Liberty 4s. Oh man, this looks like a good one. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Soundcore Liberty 4s. Soundcore, they actually sent this out to me, so big shout out to them for actually doing that. These are some earbuds that just recently released about a week ago. I just got them the other day, and I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. As you guys can see from here, Liberty 4 premium sound with a all new heart rate sensor. So now we're not getting heart rate sensors just on the watch, just on the phones. Now we're starting to get them on your earbud. So this is really cool. As you guys can see, and pause this and read it for yourself. It says that it's a in-ear heart rate sensor, detects your heart rate so you feel in tune with your body. If you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. So we have the ACAA 3.0 for premium sound, in-ear heart rate sensor for heart rate tracking, spatial audio for immersive sound, Hear ID Sound 2.0 for personalized listening, up to 9-hour playtime, 28 hours with charging case. So what's it include inside the box? If you want to look a little bit closer there, Soundcore Liberty 4s, charging case, 4 sizes of ear tips, and a USB Type-C. And on the side it says enjoy premium sound via the 3rd generation acoustic system, 2 dynamic drivers. So you have 2 drivers and each earbud, which is pretty cool. So I'm really looking forward to see how these sound. I have my little unboxing knife, little Miggy's here. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Alright, so the last time I had buds from from Soundcore, I can't really remember. I remember that I did actually buy the Q30s or the Q20s, I believe, the headphones. But here you go, guys. So it's saying to download the Soundcore app, use the new Soundcore wellness feature in the app for heart rate tracking, wellness, and workout. This is pretty cool. This is really different. So it does actually showcase a number for the tips. So you have your medium 2s, large, and your small. And we have the setup for here. So on the picture, it actually looks really bigger than it actually looks in person. So it does actually look a little bit smaller. If anything, not like this, just further like this. That's what it looks like. If I could show you guys the where's my AirPods? Oh, my AirPods are somewhere around here. I don't know where they are. All right, so let's get right into the unboxing itself. So I do have some paperwork on the inside here. So just like with Soundcore, they always have a nice presentation. It looks like we have the quick start guide, and you have your charging cable. Looks like a really small looking cable here, and we have our start guide and probably some warranty information right over here. So you guys can check that out if you guys pick one up. But as far as the actual case itself, let's take a look at this. Really nice. So you have your Soundcore logo, a nice matte finish on here. It might look like it might pick up some fingerprints, and you have your charging cable in the back. And if you want to open it, you just have to slide up just like so. Really light, by the way, very light. As far as the actual buds itself, it looks like it has a glossy plastic around the earbud itself, and on the stems it looks like it's more of a matte, but then on top it has like a plastic layer, as you guys can see from there. So it's a little bit different. You do have your logo right there for Soundcore right up top, and it says Soundcore right on the bottom stem right over here. So clear, and it looks like the inside has a goldish finish. So let's just pop this in and let's check out the whole pairing process. Right, just like so. So it should be just hold this down. All right, so it does actually light up. That's pretty cool. So let's get into my iPhone 14 Pro Max, check my Bluetooth settings, see exactly what we're looking at here. All right, so it's gonna pop up as a Soundcore Liberty 4s. You could pop that open. All right, so it's connecting. So I do have to download the Soundcore app, but let's just go with my first impressions. I'll be right back in 5 minutes. Well, I'll come back in 30 minutes and I'll let you guys know how it sounds after I listen to it and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so we are now back with the Liberty 4s. I took a few days to actually test it through it. The battery life was pretty good. Charger's pretty fast. When it comes to the fit, the ones that came out the box, the ear tips, they felt really nice in my ears. So if you guys have the original AirPods or if you have the second gen AirPods, and if you're looking for something that has that same type of fit and just comfort, these are definitely it. Now, when it comes to the sound quality, I did have to download the Soundcore app so I could get my custom EQ, and this is the setting that I used, and these sounded really good. Now, with the sound quality that came out the box, I wasn't too fond of it. Wasn't really much volume, wasn't no bass, so I did have to download the Soundcore app. As you can see from right here, this is what it looks like. And I tried a whole bunch of different settings. I tried the ANC, I was trying the transparency mode, and in my particular case, I just left it on normal, and I put the custom EQ so I could have the bass, the volume, and the sound that I was looking for. But as far as these are definitely a win for the price. I will have a link down below if you guys are curious about getting them. I wish they were a little bit more thinner, but as far as the overall sound quality and fit, these are definitely a win in my eyes. So if you guys want to pick this up, if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Soundcore products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.